When we think of strength, we think of rock, of steel, of that which will not bend. But there is a stronger force, one that can snap the steel and crack the rock.
The most important thing in my life was truth. Of all the things that are good and bad, truth is the apex.
We must allow our love for our community to surpass our hatred for our enemy.
It's the most powerful force in nature, with potential to generate life in a single drop. But when one drop joins with another, and another, and another, its true strength begins to form.
The decisions that we make in our backyard have enormous effects for global climate change.
A group of women in New York City in the mid-1900s were able to achieve changes in the health and safety of workers today.
There's a fundamentalist modernist controversy about which direction is the world going to go and is the church going to go. And some in the church said we're going to go the way of reason, and some in the church said we're going to go the way of faith. And that ends up dividing a great deal of American Christianity.
We want to be good and true and not get caught up in the false dichotomy that you have to choose one or the other. We've chosen a third way that is uncommon in higher education.
While each current follows a unique course, one does not threaten the other. They freely join and cross and share, forming new pathways to navigate and explore.
I think faith actually allows you and strengthens you, encourages you, sustains you, and orders your life in a way that you do your job better.
Welcome to Staples Center and the new partnership between Staples Center, AEG, the Los Angeles Kings, and Pepperdine.
At Pepperdine, we believe in answered prayer. And as my father would say, we're making history.
Most of the great things that have happened in my life came from this school and what I learned at this school, so I'm forever grateful for that.
I have found that in my life, it is the things that have been the most painful to me that have given me the most voice and the most power in the tables that I sit at.
Everyone, please give a round of applause for the next president of Pepperdine University, Jim Gash.
The flow resists the poles of the extremes, always finding its level, seeking order, balance, unity, refusing to choose between one way or the other. It seeks a third way, one of connection, of cooperation, of creation. While we thrive in times of abundance, we are tried in moments of drought. Moments that challenge our humanity and confront us with unknown pathways. But these moments also tether us to one another with strands that cannot be broken, so we may stand together to serve, to give, to love. In the rapids of the river, in the tide of the ocean, in the swell of every wave, we find our passion, our place, our purpose, together.